Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language, one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you with me today. Let's jump right in because today's word is article. So, what does article mean? It's a simple and versatile word. As a noun, it can refer to a piece of writing, like something you'd find in a newspaper, magazine, or online. It can also mean a specific object or item, like something tangible you can see or hold. Let's explore some synonyms of article. When we're talking about a piece of writing, a synonym could be story or piece. For example, I read an interesting story about the environment today, or she wrote a great piece for the magazine. When we're referring to an object, item, or thing are synonyms. For instance, this item is on sale, or that's an unusual thing to collect. Now, let's look at some antonyms of article. For writing, a good antonym might be silence, as it suggests the absence of words or communication. You might say, there was no article published, just complete silence on the matter. For an object, antonym options include void or nothing, as in, the shelf was empty. There was absolutely nothing there. How can we use article in everyday life? You might say, I came across a fascinating article on travel tips. Or, each article of clothing in the store is handmade. These examples show how article is common in both casual and professional settings. Here are a few more sentence examples with article. She wrote an article about the importance of mental health. Every article on display was handcrafted by local artisans. Can you bring me that article from the table? To wrap things up, today we learned that article is a word that can describe both a piece of writing and a specific object. We also explored its synonyms like story, piece, item, and thing, along with its antonyms such as silence, void, and nothing. I hope you enjoyed this exploration and found it helpful for expanding your vocabulary. Before we go, I'd love to invite you to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps more people discover Hello Word and grow their English skills. And here's a fun challenge. Create your own sentence using article and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.